Hey, I'm Jim Weber in the Fox 13 Weather Center. Thanks for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. So we're now into the month of July. The areas that we watch, still across the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean. Remember, we're primarily focused across the Western Caribbean. Now we're pretty much watching all the Caribbean. We also start to focus a little bit more on the Western Atlantic. You can see the areas that these storms typically go this time of the year. Just a few scattered areas of some showers across the Gulf of Mexico, but some stronger wind shear in place as well. Much of the Caribbean is really pretty quiet at this point. We continue to see some scattered showers and storms out into the Western Atlantic as well, but no signs of anything developing at this point. In fact, the strong wind shear, that's going to stay in place across much of the Caribbean as we head through the week and into the weekend. So at this point, just not seeing anything develop. Of course, we're going to keep you updated right here on myfoxhurricane.com.